Hello there, welcome back again. Today I've come out, it's a really grey, miserable day. It is forecast to brighten up later. I've come out for a walk with Betsy. Betsy's just down here. She's with me on Mull. And she's pretty calm. The midges are really biting. Hence the thermocell is now out and warming up. I'm going to take a couple of quick little landscapes today. It's literally seascapes. So join me in a minute and I'll talk you through my first shot and what I'm doing with long exposure as well. So for this shot, I'm loving the landscape round here. There's an area just a little bit farther back behind where you are that I want to try and catch, but the tide isn't in fully for another couple of hours, so I might come back later this afternoon and try it there. But I do love just the landscape round here. It's absolutely dead. I'm the only person here. It's absolutely fantastic. There's a car down farther. I think they're camping there for the night. So peaceful and quiet. The loch was perfectly calm 5 minutes ago. There's a little bit of a breeze. I haven't got the breeze on me, I've got midges. As I say, the thermocell is on, warming up. What I'm going to do today is, I've got a polarising filter on, just to take out some of the glare in the shoreline, and a 10-stop filter. I don't know if you can see on the GoPro, there's not much detail in the sky. So what I'm fancying is just completely smooth it, and maybe smooth the water as well. So yeah, there is a 10-stop filter on, the polarising filter is on. I may be able to get away with a 30-second exposure. I'm going to try it. If not, I'll go into bulb mode and probably set, it's probably going to be 35, maybe 40 seconds. Yeah, looks absolutely fantastic. There's an otter. I don't think you're going to pick it up on the GoPro. There's an otter just come up, just down here. Amazing, amazing. The otters are everywhere along here. Every bit of water on the Isle of Mull, there are otters. So I may actually try and get a shot of these. I've got a 200mm plus the 1.4 converter and my 7D Mark II, which is a crop sensor, so that'll give me 450mm reach. I may go and get that in a minute and maybe have a little go at these otters. But first of all, I'm going to get some landscapes. Let me show the back of the camera as to what I'm doing. Let me just brighten the image up a little bit. You will see the 30 flashing. That's just because it's gone past its range. The shot is quite simple. We have Ribbon Cliffs over there. We have the mainland, well, the main part of going off towards Ulva Ferry in the distance over there. Some rocks in the foreground down here. Simple shot. I am going to try and get all this just like a grey blue colour. As I say, there's no detail in the sky at all. Even if I underexpose, wrong one. Let me just underexpose this right down. As you can see, there is still no detail at all there. So I am going to try and just get a 30-second exposure just to smooth out the ripple that's on the water and just smooth the sky again, and let's see how it looks. So what do you think of the shot? It does look like there's a little bit of detail in the sky. You can just see a few layers. Looks quite nice, I think. I'm just going to have my little scout around. I may come down to the shoreline yet and see if I can get anything down there. I don't know what to do. I don't know whether to persevere here or maybe move farther down and see what we can catch down there. It's so peaceful and beautiful here. It is so calm and there's no one around. I am absolutely in heaven. It's just wonderful. Betsy's here. Let me just show you Betsy. Betsy, Betsy. She's got all the scent with the birds, the different seabirds that are down there. Probably smell a few otters as well. The otter that I was watching just, it went down, I would presume for fish hunting. I haven't seen it come up, so it may have come up round the other side of the rock, just over there. So I think I may just make this a short video, and I may go and get my longer lens and go and see if I can catch these otters. If you see a video with otters, you know I got them. If not, I'll try again another day. Yeah. Let me, actually I think I'm going to turn the camera first here and just try maybe along the shoreline down this way. Try and get a shot that way, I think. So I've just turned the camera and literally looking over towards Ulva, I'm just going to put that into the shot, and so I've just got the loch, looks like an island in the middle of the loch, and the sky. I'll show the back of the camera, see what you think. So the shot is literally just a bit of mainland, there's just water in the foreground, there's just sky in the background. It is all pretty much the same colour, grey, so it may just be a very minimal shot. I do like minimal shots if I can. The same settings as before really. I'm shooting 30 seconds, f11. The ISO is at 200 because I don't really want to go into bulb mode, so by having 200 of a second, ISO 200, I can get away with a 30-second exposure with a 10-stop filter on. So that's the plan, and we should have a nice smooth water, nice smooth sky. And again, I'll put this on for you right now. It does look quite nice. Again, what did you think of that? The minimalistic shot. I do like them. They're not really my thing, but every now and then you see something and it just... I think what it is today, I am just enjoying the peace, the quiet. It's proper tranquil. There is no one around. 2 cars have drove past, and that is all that I've seen. I do think the otters have gone, so I'm going to give them neck. I'll try again later. But yeah, it looks so peaceful and quiet. I'm loving this, and I think that's why I'm just thinking minimal as well. Check out the links below. There's links in the description to all the gear that I use and everything. I'm tempted. No, I'm not going to. Yeah, check out the links. Please drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of the images. Like, subscribe. We'll do it all again next week. Until next time, here's the photos. Enjoy and take it easy.